find the sine of t and cosine of t for this point here, which is 5 over 13, comma, negative 12 over 13. Now, we can plot this point out. We don't need to do it, but just for this case, we will. So we know that the x value is positive and the y value is negative. So if you can draw the points for, this is going to be positive 1, right? So 1, negative 1 down here. All right, to this point now, just eyeballing it a little bit, this point should be maybe a little bit down here. Okay, so we'll call this point 5 over 13, negative 12 over 13. Now once again, we don't necessarily need to do this next step either, but this is the x value, the y value. We should verify that x squared plus y squared is equal to 1, right? What that means is that this point here should be on the unit circle, right? So if we draw a circle with a radius of 1, okay, then this point should be on that circle. So x squared plus y squared equals 1. We can verify that, right? 5 over 13 squared plus negative 12 over 13 squared, and see what this equals, right? 5 squared is 25, 13 squared is 169. 12 squared is 144. Now it's negative, but because we're squaring it, it does become positive. So we get 169 over 169, which does in fact equal 1, right? So this point does in fact lie on the unit circle. Okay? So now in that case, we know that the sine of t is equal to the x value. The y value. And cosine of t is equal to the x value. So in this case, sine of t would equal negative 12 over 13. And the cosine of t then would equal 5 over 13.